Welcome to the components of VMware vSphere module. This module introduces you to the components of VMware vSphere 6.0 that leverage the power of virtualization to transform data centers into simplified cloud computing infrastructures and enable IT organizations to deliver flexible and reliable IT services. An introduction to the components of VMware vSphere will help you understand the vSphere components and how they interact. vSphere 6.0 leverages the power of virtualization to transform data centers into simplified cloud computing infrastructure and enables IT organizations to deliver flexible and reliable IT services. It manages large collections of infrastructure such as compute, storage, and networking as a seamless and dynamic operating environment. vSphere consists of the following component layers. vCenter Server. vCenter Server provides a single point of control for the vSphere data center. It provides essential data center services such as access control, performance monitoring, and configuration. Infrastructure Services. Infrastructure services are the set of services provided to abstract, aggregate, and allocate hardware or infrastructure resources. Infrastructure services can be categorized into compute, storage, and network. Application Services. Application services are the set of services provided to ensure availability, security, and scalability of applications. Examples of application services include high availability and vMotion. Clients. The vSphere Client and vSphere Web Client are the interfaces that allow users to communicate with the vSphere data center. Before discussing the component layers in detail, let's understand how these component layers make up the architecture of vSphere 6.0. vSphere 6.0 represents the core of the software-defined data center by virtualizing the entire IT infrastructure, servers, storage, and networks with software. It groups these heterogeneous resources and transforms the rigid, inflexible infrastructure into a simple and unified manageable set of elements in the virtualized environment. Infrastructure services such as compute, storage, and network services abstract, aggregate, and allocate hardware or infrastructure resources. vSphere makes infrastructure resilient with features like vSphere High Availability, Fault Tolerance, vMotion, Storage vMotion, and DRS. The management layer of vSphere 6.0 consists of the vCenter Server and vRealize operations that centrally help with configuring, provisioning, and managing virtualized IT environments. The interface layer of vSphere 6.0 is comprised of clients that allow a user to access the vSphere data center, for example, vSphere Web Client. vSphere 6.0 clusters can now scale to support more than 64 hosts with 8,000 virtual machines. Each virtual machine can have up to 128 vCPUs and 4 terabytes of RAM. And due to this, vSphere 6.0 is capable of virtualizing even the most demanding applications. Using vSphere 6.0, administrators can simplify management of their infrastructure by creating a virtual data center that has a highly available, resilient, on-demand infrastructure that is the ideal foundation for any cloud environment. It includes components to perform the following functions: compute, storage, networking, availability, management. Click each function to learn more. In vSphere 6.0, clusters can scale up to as many as 64 hosts and support 8,000 virtual machines in a single cluster. There is also expanded support for the latest x86 chipsets, devices, drivers, and guest operating systems. The technology lays the foundation to rapidly clone and deploy virtual machines 10 times faster than what is currently possible. Fiber Channel Storage Area Network, or FCSAN, arrays, Internet Small Computer System Interface, or iSCSI, and Network Attached Storage, or NAS arrays, are widely used storage technologies supported by vSphere 6.0 to meet different data center storage needs. Storage Policy-Based Management, or SPBM, allows common management across storage tiers and dynamic storage classes of service automation. Together, they enable exact combinations of data services, such as clones and snapshots, to be instantiated more efficiently on a per-virtual machine basis. vSphere 6.0 supports network I/O control and multicast snooping. vSphere 6.0 also allows a dedicated networking stack and simplifies IP address management with a dedicated default gateway for vMotion traffic. Enhanced vMotion capabilities allow non-disruptive live migration of workloads across distributed switches and vCenter servers and provide a saving of up to 95% in time and resources. There is also expanded support for software-based fault tolerance for workloads with up to 4 virtual CPUs. vSphere 6.0 provides several interfaces such as vSphere Content Library and vSphere Web Client for data center management and virtual machine access. Administrators can use vRealize automation to accelerate the deployment and management of applications and compute services, thereby improving business agility and operational efficiency. For operations management, administrators can use vRealize Operations that delivers intelligent operations management across physical, virtual, and cloud infrastructures. In vSphere 6.0, clusters can scale to as many as 64 hosts and support 8,000 virtual machines in a single cluster. This enables greater consolidation ratios, more efficient use of VMware vSphere Distributed Resource Scheduler, or vSphere DRS, and fewer clusters that must be separately managed. Each vSphere 6.0 instance can support as many as 480 physical CPUs, 12 terabytes of RAM, and 2,048 virtual machines per host. By leveraging the latest hardware advances, ESXi 6.0 enables the virtualization of some of the applications that could not be virtualized earlier. vSphere 6.0 delivers enhanced scale, performance, and availability that enables you to easily and confidently virtualize applications. With vSphere 6.0, you can simplify management of the virtual data center to manage the creation, sharing, deployment, and migration of virtual machines with powerful yet simple and intuitive tools. vSphere 6.0 provides the capability to perform live workload migrations and data center maintenance with zero application downtime. It also allows you to transform storage for virtual machines by enabling external storage arrays to operate in a more virtual machine-centric manner. You can build and operate cloud environments that fit your needs using vSphere and the VMware Stack or open-source frameworks such as OpenStack and the VMware Integrated OpenStack add-on. The capabilities and features of vSphere 6.0 that you can leverage depend on the product edition you choose. vSphere 6.0 is available in 3 different editions: Standard, Enterprise, and Enterprise Plus. For more information on the vSphere 6.0 editions, refer to the Resources document in the documentation area for this module. Let's look at some of the benefits of using vSphere 6.0. vSphere 6.0 improves efficiency through utilization and automation, maximizes uptime across your cloud infrastructure, reduces unplanned downtime, and eliminates planned downtime for server and storage maintenance. vSphere 6.0 also helps greatly lower IT costs, reducing capital expenditures by up to 70% and operational expenditures by up to 30% for each application running on vSphere. vSphere 6.0 provides agility with control and allows quick response to changing business needs without sacrificing security or control. With vSphere 6.0, you can use a common, standards-based platform to leverage existing IT assets alongside next-generation IT services, and enhance vSphere through open APIs with solutions from a global ecosystem of leading technology providers. vSphere 6.0 helps organizations address several challenges related to availability, scalability, optimization, management, application upgrade, and cloud challenges. As we progress through this course, we will go over the key features and components of vSphere 6.0 and see how they help organizations resolve business challenges.